Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Gfinity. Okay, so the interesting thing is a bounce back, and from the lows of March 2020 the stock has already given a return of 1334%. So this is phenomenal that the stock has multiplied its return by 1300 odd percent or 13 times, okay, over a span of couple of months. And with this, what you could see here is, with this jump the stock is indeed nears to a very crucial or critical level. Okay, so here we can see the important levels on the downside, and we are going to discuss the levels which, in case a bounce back happen, will form on the upside. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now, for this particular stock, the important level which one needs to understand are these. So first I am going to discuss about the support level, because that's what the most important thing. Okay, so you have your first support at 3.4, then you have your next support at 2.6, then you have your next support at 2.2, then you have 1.36. so these are the most important support level which one need to taken care of. And on the upside, okay, now on the upside you have your first target or resistance at 5.2, then you have your bigger resistance at 7.1. so 7.1 is a very crucial level. Why? Because above 7.1 the stock will enter into its previous range, okay, and which means that there is a opportunity that the stock could retest its previous high, which is at 37, okay, or in between 28 or 29, 28 to 37. so that's why staying above or make a breakout above 7.1, 7.2 is very important. If it does not happen, then it will fall back to its previous low, and for which I have explained you all the support. But if in case this breakout happens, then you will have your first target or resistance at 11.2, then you have 14.84, then you have 21, then you will have 28, and finally 38. so these are all the important level which one could see on the upside. Okay, now things won't go in a linear fashion, first of all. Second, there is a big resistance which is about to come, and it will be in between 5.25 and 7.13. if it unable to cross this level, definitely it will fall back, for which I have explained you the support level, and in case of any adverse scenarios it will retest its previous low of 0.3. on the upside, you have different targets or resistance level, and if it succeed to make a upside, or if it succeed to cross multiple levels on the upside, then the final target for the time being which one could expect will be in between 28 and 38. And in case if the stock makes a breakout above 38.9, or you can say 39 or 40, and stay over there, then that will be a start of a new trend which we will discuss once things happen or once things change accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.